About at 122, 808, Colorado.
808, Colorado. You've been trying to real good over here. Been listening to your talk show there, no doubt. Yo, 808.
All right, 122. I was in front of a 7-Eleven, man. I had to drive down the street. I was getting some weird looks. A 122, 808 in the pickup truck.
Oh, yes. Hey, tell that 122 to 500 over here. 808, tell that 122 to 500 over here. Tell them 808. Tell them what's going on. 500,
All right, 122 and 500's keying up too. See you guys, man. Have a good Thanksgiving. 122, 500, 808, Rocky Mountain, Mobile. Yeah, real good contact. I'll see you at 122. Always appreciate a wave from a good CB breaker. 122, 808, cruising my Mobile. Aloha.
Oh, 808, Excalibur, Carolina's waving.
There you go, Excalibur. I was just going to go sit back in the pickup truck and put it in drive. Have a good one, Excalibur. 808 with the pause.
Tell all your 808 sounding good out here in coastal North Carolina, man. Just cut it on and heard you by there when the kid say hello, howdy doody. Take care, 808, old Excalibur, Carolina. Good night.
Check on that. Have a good Thanksgiving. Real good sound of radio. Excalibur with the wave. The Rocky Mountain Mobile on the hilltop. I'm gone.
Roger, roger, on the Rocky Mountain on the hilltop. Sounding good, man.
Bye, Excalibur. Maine's coming in there too. A 500, 122, 808 gone. All right, 250, 148. I got a 10-7. Have a good day.
Hey, Roger, yeah, 393. Appreciate it, man. Just back here messing with a 29. Got one. I won on the 28 Good Time Game raffle, man. I won them the Tata Special. It's a Slim Jim / Snowman built 29. I had it on a little while ago. I just took it back out of line and put one of my old faithfuls back on there, Roger.
Hey, the old faithful sounds good there, Excalibur. Just thought you ought to know around Colorado. Excalibur 808, Rocky Mountain, Mobile.
29 50th anniversary, you know, I reckon you call it LX now, but this is one of the first ones that come out with it. The fancy
took the wrong turn at Albuquerque, no doubt about it, and ended up in Maine, no doubt.
Spot my match better. Have a good one, 266.
Ten right, 393 right back at you, man. Happy, gobble, gobble. And we'll soon get out and go shimmy back up a tree.
393,
Just so you can catch you later, old Excalibur.
Just trying to make a little bit of noise out there in the world of sound, no doubt. 122, New England radio.
A 122, almost 9 dBs in Colorado. You're making some noise, 122.
You're doing the same thing. I got your video data to prove it too there. That'll pick them up truck. He's doing it again on top of that, dude. Hey, 808, keep doing what you're doing. You got some real good Mother Nature rolling into New England today.
Check on that. All right, you're looking good. I'm just around this fence line. A 122, I got the pickup truck around the fence line. A 122, 808 in a Mobile.
We'll be back out. Bye-bye.
you're gonna like what you sound like up here in Colorado, man. That's loud and proud. They got some people underneath, but that's all right. Have a good day. It's just radio. We're out here to have fun. 122-808. I'm 10-7. Aloha.
Yeah, hi. Why did you say aloha? Well, like Hawaii out there. I'm pretty sure
Yeah, I've only been to Colorado for 3 years, man. We just moved here from Hawaii. But Colorado's a beautiful state, too. 10-4?
Yeah, the BYU, no doubt. 122, New England Radio.
your way.
Place Colorado, 25, New Jersey Mobile.
I heard someone in New Jersey. We got too much receive up here. 808 gone.
808 Colorado, 250, New Jersey Mobile.
How about it? 808 347 in the Big Apple. 808 347 Big Apple.
All right, 250 347. Man, that's a lot of numbers. 808. I heard you.
Okay, 808 347 in the
All right, 347. 122's making it rough, too. 347 808 gone.
Just riding back out of the road. You take care now. Bye-bye.
No road conditions. Road conditions out here. 120, getting up.
I heard you 120. It's just rough and tough in the Rockies.
08, let me clean out your radio.
About an 808. 514, State of Maryland, diesel wagon, 808, 514, trying to make
Finish on 9 with the wave right there, right now.
All right, Trinitron 9. You keyed up. I heard someone in Maryland, too, man, but Trinitron 9 had the lockdown real quick. Have a good one, Trinitron 9. The good breaker in Maryland, 808. Stand by. All right, I got to talk to the radio. All right, 122. Man, you're loud and proud up here. You're kind of drowning everyone out. 122 in Maine, 808 in a Mobile, 10-6.
Mother Nature yourself going into New England today. But hey, we say we're going to slide to the side, so we're going to do it. 808, always good hearing you out there. 122, we'll be back out. Bye-bye.
Bye. I'll see you at Trinitron 9. I'm at a 10-7, man. I got to head on back home. All you guys have a good one. We're going to put the pickup truck in first gear and head on back. Trinitron 9, 808, 10-7.
TK 08, I get Michael Jackson, my local, another station kind of plug in my ear. 808, you sounding good around Tony Allen, man, but I got Michael Jackson, my local there, plug in my ear a little bit. Take care, 808, everybody forgot about Sony, but I'm keeping the name alive. Trinitron 9 with the Sony audio, break.
We had, I think, one of the first Trinitrons in Hawaii, man. Or one of the close ones, man. That was a day, color TV. I'll see you at Trinitron 9, 808 gone.